So you learned how hash functions work. Now when generating hash values, it is possible that two distinct keys generate the same hash value. Let's say our hash function generates the hash value 10 for storing these two values. What are we going to do? We cannot store two items at the same index. This is what we call a collision. If you're not a native English speaker, collision means accident, crash, just like two cars crashing. So we have two values that are colliding. Now, there are two ways to handle collisions. One way is to have each cell in our array point to a linked list. So we're not going to store the values in the array itself. We're going to store them in these linked lists. If you have a collision, we simply add the new item at the end of the linked list. This is what we call chaining, because we're chaining these items. Another solution is to find a different slot for storing the second value. This is what we call open addressing, because we're finding a new address to store the second value. There are different open addressing algorithms, and we're going to look at them over the next few videos.